Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Welcome to the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation. My name is Chris Jaggs, and here is your quote for today. If you're going to measure how success was on a circle of how we are taught, it's half salary and half job title. But a better measure of success on that circle would be mental health, physical health, liking what you do, free time, and then finally, salary and job title, taking just little parts of that pie. When you're younger, and even, 20 or 30 plus years ago, you were taught that success was your career, your job title, and that's it. But now it's so much more. Those two things are important, but also not as important as your own physical and mental health, the things that you like to do with your spare time. A better work-life balance is only the start of what success can look like for you.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.